original Yamaha bag for scooters. Let's see what we can put inside. I'm going to show you later how to use it on your scooter. Yes, let's open first. You see this, it is not from the original Yamaha as it should be. I have stuck it here. It is the one part of a scratch. I have to tell you now because you see it right in front of the video now. I like to stick my mobile here. So to my mobile I have the other part of the scratch. And you can understand, I do this so I can scroll to my motorcycle, to my mobile when I'm on motorcycle, to check the GPS. Okay, I wanted to tell you that so you don't think that this is how it comes from Yamaha. Okay, let's see. It opens easily. This is not soft, it's a bit more strong. Okay, for example, I have put some things inside. A lightweight jacket. Okay, so you can understand how many things you can put inside. A light raincoat for the motorcycle. Light one, not totally waterproof. And now I have something here I want to show you. It is very interesting. I wear it whenever it gets chilly and I am on my scooter. It is a bit strange when you see it, but when you use it, you will totally love it. Look, it is like I'm a cook. I'm going to cook, okay? I wear this here. I have to adjust it. To be honest, it's not mine. I'm just making the video, but it's better to speak in. It's better to speak as if it was mine. Okay. You secure it here in the back, and look. I can be on the motorcycle, and my feet are not cold at all. You see? You understand? I will show it to you later in details, but I always keep it on my motorcycle, always, because even though it's summertime, in the night many times it gets a lot of chilly out there, and especially if you are passing through a mountain, you need it to have it with you. I'll show you later. Let's go back to the Yamaha. Beautiful. Okay, here. Beautiful bag. Now it's totally empty. You can see here it has a net so you can put stuff. I have my gloves, and believe me, these gloves are mine. Okay. And it has two zippers. One from this side, there's nothing in here, and one from this side. And here I have also a clever suggestion for you. A visibility vest, because you never know what happens when you're on the streets. You see? Easy and practical. The quality of the zippers is very good. And this is the internal. It's not waterproof. Here, okay, here no pocket. Only these pockets from the inside, as I showed you. We close it. It's totally empty now. Here it has straps, so you can carry it, or you can tie it underneath the seat of the scooter. If you don't want this and you want only to carry it like this, you can take it out. Let me zoom out a little bit. I think I'm too zoomed in. Okay. You see? You take it out. Also from this side, you can hide these in here, so to be also sick, and you can hold it like this. I'm going to put them again. Okay, and the other one from the other side. Looks. This side it's a leather look, also from the bottom, and this side is like this. I don't know what it is made of. It's a bit strong here. In the sides, soft. Here, this is strong. Strong material. I can see here that it has also this triangle, so you can put other strap if you want, also from these both sides. Do you want to see it on the scooter? Let's do it. I'm putting inside, a moment, something to be stuffed and to look nice. And let's go to the scooter. I have Yamaha N-Max. It is new, 2024 model, newly bought, just 1 month ago. I will zoom out a little bit, okay, like this. Okay, and you can see, you can put it here. If I want to have it external, not in under the seat, I can store it like this. I take out this strap. I open the seat. Pass the strap under the seat. Close. You can adjust it, see, or you can leave it from the inside, like this. So now, no one can take it, and when you are driving on the road, it cannot fall, not from this side or from the other, okay? You can also put it in here, like this, and you close. But when you want to put your helmet in here, when you want to put it in here, you have no space for this. So the only solution is here. If you want take it with you and not leave it in the scooter, it is like this, hands free. Or like this. Really easy going. I like the quality very much. It's original from Yamaha. You can find it in the local dealers. I have bought mine from Nulas and Trikala, Central Greece. I hope you liked the video. I have something to show you as I promised you before. One moment please. And this is what I promised you. In the end of the video, I told you I will show you this blanket for scooter. As I told you before, it's not mine, okay? This should be adjusted here. I don't know if I can do it easily right now. Not easily right now. So I leave it like this, as the way it is. And now I'm going to sit on the scooter. You do this, it stays here. And now you sit on the scooter. Just a quick show. Look, your feet are warm. Inside it has such a soft tissue, like a blanket. And it protects me also to the chest, and not only to the chest but also to my legs. Strongly suggested. Strongly, because when you are on a motorcycle and it is summertime, this doesn't mean that all day it's gonna be like 40 degrees. You are going to be on a mountain, or maybe the temperature changes dramatically. If you have space, or if you have this beautiful Yamaha accessory bag as I showed you, you can keep it with you, maybe in the coldest days, and save yourself from getting like this on the motorcycle. I hope you enjoyed the video with the Yamaha bag for scooter. Hope to see you again soon.